Hello everybody, I'm James, just on to the Peugeot, and today we have this 2020 20 plate Peugeot Expert Professional. You have the rare 2 litre diesel engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox. You have 18-inch wheels with commercial tyres. You have rear twin sliding doors, and you have loads of room. You can fit 2 full-size pallets in here. You have rear parking sensors, and you have twin opening doors, and you can open them even further just by pulling on this latch, and then they open to 180 degrees. Going into the driver's seat, you have a helping step there, and you have loads of storage. You can adjust your wing mirrors on the door. It has done 1,142 miles, but it will rise due to it being the next demo. You have your cruise control and speed limiter, and to the right you have your radio controls. You have cup holders to the right and to the left of the dash, and you do have a storage space in the middle. You have a 7-inch touchscreen display. You have stop-start technology. You can connect your phone by Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have climate control with heated wing mirrors, a 12-volt socket outlet and USB port with another storage hole. You have your glove box here, more storage. You have these all-weather seat covers and these all-weather floor mats. You have welcome lights as well as 2 reading lights. If you are interested in this Peugeot Expert Professional, then please check the website for where more information will be listed.